Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to see who like you without gold on Tinder. If you try to see your likes on Tinder, it's gonna ask you to buy the premium version, which also includes the gold version. But in this video, I'm going to show you a way that you can view those likes without having to purchase the premium versions. Open up your web browser and search for this Violent Monkey Chrome and then open up this link. Once you open up this link, you just need to add this extension to your Chrome. Click on add extension and the extension will be added. Click on the extensions tab on the top and then open up Violent Monkey. Click on settings and then click on the plus icon that you see on the top and click on install from URL. Once you do, you just need to type in this URL and click on OK. After you do that, in the next section, you will need to confirm installation. So click on it and the script will be installed. Now you can open up tinder.com and then log into your account if you haven't already. Click on your likes on the left and after you wait out a couple of seconds, it's going to show you the profile of people who liked your profile on Tinder. This way you will not need to buy the gold version of Tinder. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.